Hi, today in this video, we're going to discuss how you can use the custom CSS in your WordPress site according to the pages. Suppose you have this page and when you go to another page, you do not want to have the CSS styling. So I'm going to tell you how you can fix the problem of the CSS conflict that can lead to the CSS used in one page to another page. Suppose you just want to design this page using CSS, but you do not want to conflict or affect the another page like this. So today in this video, I am going to tell you how you can use the custom CSS according to pages, and that custom CSS will be in this only one page, not other than that page. And you can also use this as site wide, also means it will affect whole site, but as you know there is already option in WordPress, so I'm going to tell you how you can use in the different pages. At first, just go to dashboard, just click on plugins, just click on add new. After that, search here one pre-plugin called nimble. After that, install this first one. Now it is installed. Now it's time for you to activate this pre-plugin called nimble page builder. Let me activate it. As you can see, now we have activated this plugin. When you see here at the top bar, you can see it is telling build with nimble builder. You can click here to go to the customizer of your WordPress, or you can click here also to go to the customizer of WordPress. This nimble builder is in the customizer of WordPress. If you go to the customizer of WordPress, then you can also access the nimble builder. This is the page right now. I'm going to design this to show you the demonstration by side comparison that you can notice. Let me go to the build with nimble builder. If you come from the WordPress customizer, then you can click on this nimble builder, then just click on this current page option, because we want to have the custom CSS on this page only. We're not going to have in the another page or this page. So for that, I'm going to choose current page options. If you want to have custom CSS on the site wide options, then you can click here. Let me click here. Let me go to custom CSS. Now you can write your own custom CSS here. So for the demonstration, I'm going to do some few small changes on this site. For this, I'm going to change the color of this text which is in the footer. Let me right click it. Let me inspect. For the testing, I'm going to do the custom CSS here. As you can see, it is working perfectly. Let me copy this selector. For the demonstration, I want to show you the selector of this footer also. And as you can see, the selector is same. Means if I use the custom CSS here, then it should affect here. But as I am using the nimble builder and the CSS in the single page, then it won't affect this page. Let me go here. Let me paste this selector. Now I'm going to change the color of text. Now as you can see, color is changed. Now I'm going to change the font. As you can see, font is also changed. As you can see, I have done some of the few CSS styling on this page. Let me click on publish. Let me refresh this page. As you can see, the custom CSS is applied to this footer. But when I refresh this page, you will see that this is not affected in this page. But the selector that we used here is the same, but it is not affected on this side because we have only used the CSS for this page. This is not only the feature of this builder, there are so many plenty of features that I cannot demonstrate in this video. You can choose the page template and choose the nimble builder template to customize this website more properly. You can customize a lot of things here that is not possible to show in this whole video. You can click here to create a new section and just choose any section that you like, which is given here for free by dragging and dropping. Now it may take some time, but this content will be shown in this site and you can easily design anything that is written here, and this looks like you are using the WordPress. If this plugin did some of the few optimization and improvement, then this can be a better choice in the future. Let me click on publish and show you if this is shown in the website or not. As you can see, I got this design. So this is one of my favorite feature of this builder. because as you know, WordPress customizer do not come with this feature, and you cannot do these things in WordPress customizer. So using this plugin will obviously extend the functionality of your WordPress customizer, and you can design the website professionally. As you know, in some of the theme you cannot design all the pages, and there are so many limited options, but with this page builder you can easily add the sections from the builder from the WordPress customizer. So I hope this video was helpful. If you like this video, then do not forget to subscribe our channel and press the bell icon. Thank you for watching this video. Goodbye.